everyone, I'm Lasif16, and today I'm gonna talk about the triangles in geometry. So let's start today with the types of triangles and their side. Okay, the side is very simple and it's really easy. So first of all, we have an equilateral triangle over here, isosceles triangle, and a scalene triangle. So for the equilateral triangle here, three sides are congruent and three sides are congruent. For example, let's see if this one was 5 and this one was 5, this one will also be 5 because they're all congruent, they're all equal, all three of them. Okay, that's the equilateral triangle. Let's move on to the isosceles triangle. Here two sides are congruent, unlike the equilateral. Here if this one was 8, for example, and this one will be this is 8. Here this one will be any other number. Let's say this is 5. Okay, that's it. That's the isosceles triangle. Here we have these two are only equal, unlike the equilateral. So let's move on to the scalene triangle. The scalene triangle, unlike the others, it has nothing in common. So if this is 8, this is 5, this will be any other number, for example 2. This is that's the sides. It's very simple and easy, as I said. So I just want to make sure that everybody knows that these are not to scale. So none of you are like, oh, what's happening over here? The sides are wrong. Don't worry, they're not to scale. So let's move on to the types of triangles and their angles. Here we have an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and a scalene triangle. Here they're exactly like the sides except for angles. So here in the equilateral we have three angles, and as I said in the side that they're all equal, but here it's different. Yes, they're all equal, but they are always 60 degrees. No matter what, they're always 60 degrees. So this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is 60 degree. That's the equilateral triangle. Here, the isosceles triangle, we have three angles also. But here, it's exactly like the side, but only two angles are congruent. For example, if this is 80 degree, this one will also be 80. But this one will be something different. For example, let's put it, it has to be 20. I'm gonna talk about why in my next video. It's called the triangle sum theorem. I'll talk about this in my coming video. So let's talk about the scalene triangle now. Three angles, but here nothing is common. So this is 50, this is 40, this is 50, and this is 40, and this will have to be 90. As I said, I'm gonna talk about why in my next video. So here I just want to make also sure that these are not to scale, just to make sure that everybody knows. Here I have two exercises, and it's very simple. So here it says that it's given that ABC is over here, A, B, and C in an isosceles triangle. So here they want us to find X. So X is over here, and as I said, like in the sides, that two sides are congruent only, not 3, not 4, not 1, only 2. So here, which one do you think it is? If this one is 8, 10, and X, which one will it be? So it's gonna be X equal 8 because they're opposite to each other, and they're congruent. That's it, X equal 8. So let's move on here. It says that A, B, and C is an equilateral triangle. So remember what I said before, that equilateral triangles, they're always 60 and three of them have to be, and three of them are congruent. So here they want us to find x and y. So x is over here and y is over here. So it's very simple. As I said, 60, it has to be 60, no matter what. So x equals 60 and y equals 60. That's it. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna talk about more in my next video, and in my coming videos, like coming soon, I have triangle inequalities, triangle sum theorem, etc. So for more videos, check out ClassCF16 and on YouTube channel. And thank you for watching again. Goodbye.